Hello.
Hello. Welcome to our drawing lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
Nari.
from the game and animation Toca Boca. For this, you will need a sketchbook, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. Shall we begin?
Yes.
First, let's draw her head. Okay? Let's start by drawing her oval-shaped head. The bottom part of her head is wider than the top. Now, let's draw her hairstyle. Let's begin drawing strands of her hair.
Mom, should we draw her eyes now?
Yes, let's draw her eyes. Let's draw only one eye because the other one is covered by her hair.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
To not miss our new drawing lessons. Now, let's draw her tiny nose and mouth. We continue drawing her head. It's time to draw her ears. Now, let's add more detail to her hairstyle. Now, we just have to draw her little bun. All done. Now, we need to draw her neck. And let's immediately draw her collar. Now, let's draw her shoulders. And draw her body. Let's add her collar to her clothing. We also need to draw a pocket. Now,
Тепер
let's draw the
закриваємо
lower
її
part of her
кофту,
top.
закінчуємо.
Now, let's draw her legs. To do that, we'll draw the floor. Just like this. Now, let's draw her legs. Watch and follow along with me. Well done. Let me help you a bit. Now, let's draw her footwear. And now, let's draw her arms. One of her sleeves is very long. Let's draw it. The other sleeve is of normal length.
Ось так, дивись. Оп. І оп.
Та навіщо мені дивитися, я ж знаю.
Well, have you finished too? Now, let's put away the pencils and take markers to outline our drawing. Now, let's take an eraser. And when you're done erasing, put away the eraser and take colored markers to color our drawing. Friend, if you couldn't draw it perfectly on your first try, just watch this video again, and you'll definitely get it.
Well, Mom, shall we show how ours turned out?
Let's go!